Let me show you how I make this Jamaican style curry crab. Add some oil. I'm using coconut oil. Onion, ginger, garlic, pimento berries, curry powder. Coconut milk. Thyme, pepper, scallion, all-purpose seasoning, Scotch bonnet powder, cover for 10 to 15 minutes. This looking nice. These are some Jamaican land crab. Jamaican land crab. Cover for the next 10 minutes. Where I'm from, we call this crab tamale. I don't know if I said the same thing, we call crab tamale, but we call this crab tamale. Amen. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Ooh, banana is soft though. My God. Ooh, see that? Softy. What's up? Can't believe it. Keep a shell them though, but it good. Thanks to them banana. Gross Mitchell. Gross Mitchell, I like that. I don't even know. If you do not eat crab, this is not for you. Wow. What's up? If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.